workshop discusses a couple of different things, primarily communication skills, building relationships, and being an effective salesperson. I had an amazing time. The workshop was very interactive. The students I met, the individuals who attended the workshop asked me many important and deep questions. I enjoyed the conversations I had with them. And I'm really grateful for IU Core for having me here. I think what they're doing over here is fantastic. The space, the environment, the students, Umer, the individual I met, and everything over here has been nothing short of amazing.